This video is an instructional guide to CAL FIRE's Timber Harvest Viewer app, a publicly available product of the Forest Practice Program related to timber harvesting within the state of California. In the Timber Harvest Viewer, you can search for, filter, and view approved and proposed timber harvesting plans and accepted notices of timber operations. You can also create GeoPDFs for use in other applications. The easiest way to find the Timber Harvest Viewer is to do a Google search for Forest Practice Hub. The first item that shows up should be a link to the Forest Practice Hub site. Once there, scroll down to the Forest Practice Application section. Locate the Timber Harvest Viewer card and click on the Open App button. If the app doesn't load within about 15 seconds, try refreshing your browser. Once the app is fully loaded, you can click on the More Info icon to minimize the information panel on the left. The About pane on the right side shows a list of all the tools in the app and their purpose. This video will show you how to use 4 of these tools, but please read this pane thoroughly and explore the other tools yourself. Tool number 1 is the layer list, located at top right. This tool displays a list of all the data layers within the app. Most layers are turned off by default. Grayed out layers become usable when zoomed in further. Use the Home button to return to the full extent. To turn on a layer, check the box next to the layer name. Some of the layers are grouped or nested. Let's take a closer look. The geo-referenced maps are examples of nested groups. These are the maps from the timber harvest plans. Make sure the group itself is turned on, then click on the arrow to the left of the box to expand the group, revealing nested county groups. Keep turning on additional groups and/or layers until the map is displaying what you want to see. The final expansion of a layer shows its symbology. You can also view the symbology of all layers that are turned on using the legend icon. Additional tools are available via the 3 dots, or ellipsis, to the right of each layer, such as Hide Labels and View an Attribute Table. Tool number 2 is Query Proposed Harvest Plans, located top left. Either scroll through the drop-down list or start typing the desired harvest document number to reduce the list. Select the plan you want. Click on Apply. The map is zoomed to the resulting temporary layer and displays a list of the plan polygons. This temporary layer also appears at the top of the layer list and functions much like the other layers. Tool number 3 is Filter by Harvest Plan, located top left next to the Query tool. Various preset filters are available for use. Toggle on the desired filter. Expand the filter and either scroll through the drop-down list or start typing the desired search item to reduce the list. Select the desired feature. The map zooms to the extent of the filtered data. Make sure you turn on the layer to see the data. Toggling off the filter will zoom the map to the data layer's full extent. Additional actions are available via the ellipsis at the bottom of the filter window, such as Create a Custom Filter. Tool number 4 is Print, located top left. Before you print, make sure your map is displaying the data you need. Zoom to your desired location. turn on and adjust layers. And use the Base Map tool, located top right, to change the base map if needed. Open the Print tool. The defaults are set to create map-only GeoPDFs for field use within apps such as Avenza Maps. For better quality PDFs, open the Advanced Settings button. Preserve map extent, set width to 4,000 pixels, and height to 3,000 pixels. Set DPI to 300 or higher. Click on the Print button. Be patient while the map is created. Once the PDF has been created, select it to open it in a new tab on your browser. Zoom in and pan around to ensure both the extent and level of detail are what you need. Download to your computer and name it appropriately. You now have a GeoPDF available for field use. If you regularly use this app, please consider returning to the main Forest Practice Hub page and completing the Forest Practice App Survey. Your feedback will help us improve our products. Thanks for watching.